Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are talking about how to fix Discord when update is failed. Why do you want to know how to fix Discord when update is failed? Well, maybe you don't know how to do it, right? So today I will show you how to fix Discord when update is failed. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So very first thing, if you're failed, then the first thing we have to do, you have to just go to the browser here, and in the browser you have to search speed test, right? So here you have to search speed test, right? You have to make sure that you have proper internet connection and click on run speed test, and here it will show you that what speed your internet it is right now. And if it is have more than 10 mbps or 1 mbps, then it's great. Otherwise, just make sure that your internet is not properly, that's why your updating is failed. Another thing, you have to just go to the Play Store here, and after going to the Play Store you have to search Discord, right? So I will search here Discord and I will just hit the enter, and the very first thing I will do, I will just uninstall the Discord application, right? So here I will uninstall it and I will reinstall it here. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix Discord when update is failed, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know any another way how to fix Discord when update is failed, make sure to leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.